Welcome back to the mini vlog. Here we go. The Countryman Saga is going to continue. I think this is part 4 at this point, but if you hadn't seen the video from a few weeks ago, it broke down while on a little bit of a road trip, actually, to go pick up that one. So let's check out the video for that one too. But yeah, I talked to some motoring advisors and they said check out that ground strap in the car before we get into the alternator. So what we're going to do today is just take a look at the ground strap, see if that's could use replacement or not. But honestly, since then the car's been running fine. I've been monitoring the alternator and it's running each time, so I'm not really sure. We're just gonna take a look at the ground strap, see what we can find. So let's go ahead and dig into that right now. Okay, so we've got the battery compartment open just to take an inspection at the cables. They all look good, not too much corrosion on there. I don't think it's anything we need to take off and clean. But I think what we'll do, just because it's easier than getting the alternator replaced or trying to replace the alternator myself, is look at replacing this ground strap. And it's the braided ground strap. Let me show you, see if I can get it in this shot. Okay. So, tucked down in here is, you can see this braided cable. It goes to the motor mount and then goes to the chassis itself, and it's a little bit corroded, not frayed completely yet, but it's starting to fray. So I think that's going to be the easiest thing we can start with. Let's replace it anyways, and then see how the car runs after that. And that will also help prolong the life of the car. So next step is get that part ordered and in, and then we will pick back up where we install it. Okay, so it's a few days later. We now have the ground cable in from the dealership, and we're gonna swap it out. I'm not gonna go into details of how I'm swapping it out. It's 2 bolts, probably 10 mil if I had to guess, but I'll let you know at the end if it's not. But I'm just gonna listen to music while doing it because I don't get to do that often. So maybe I'll put this video on time lapse while I do that. But yeah, here's the piece. If you need the part number, there it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and swap this ground cable. I'll show you the old one compared to the new one when I have it out of the car, and then we'll put the new one in. And actually, honestly, lately the Countryman has been running perfectly fine. So one of those electrical gremlins that you sometimes get with owning a Mini. But yeah, let's go ahead and swap this out. Also, check out this shirt. Matches my new classic, huh? Nice. Okay, so we got it out. We did have to move the headlight a little bit to make it life a little bit easier to get that out. And it's actually a 13 mil bolts rather than 10 mil. 10 mil for the lights, 13 mil for this ground strap bolt. So let's go ahead and take a look at the difference between the old ground strap and the new ground strap. Here is the new one. Here's the old one. Probably not the worst in the world, but well, you know what? It's an inexpensive part. Why don't we swap it out while we got it and see if it solves any problems that we might encounter in the future. So let's go ahead and put this new one in and test the car by starting it up. Okay, so that's back in. Take a look at the new one. That bolt then runs down here to that bolt.
So now that's all that's left is to start it up, see if it starts up. Hopefully we didn't break the computer again this time. We shouldn't have. We might have to adjust the light as well because we did take it out. We didn't unplug it, but we did take it out. So we might need to do some minor adjustments on that, but hopefully not. They should be auto leveling. So let's go ahead and fire it up and see how it does. Okay, so yeah, now all that's left to do is really run the Countryman for a few days, see how it does. Starts up fine, no issues, so knock on wood. Hopefully our little electrical gremlin is gone. So yeah, leave any questions or comments you have below. Hopefully this is solving our issue. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, when you see other minis out there, don't forget to wave. Alright, for now, I'm gonna go work on the classic.